Welcome to our channel where we simplify your tech tasks. Today, let's master logging into your Dropbox Business account step by step. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your tech tasks. Today, let's master logging into your Dropbox Business account step by step. To begin with logging into your Dropbox Business account, the first step is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You will be directed to the login page where you need to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox Business account. Make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click Continue, then type your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it by following the instructions sent to your email. Once your email and password are correctly entered, click Sign In to access your account dashboard. If your organization uses Single Sign-On, SSO, for Dropbox Business, you may see a different login option that directs you to sign in through your company's identity provider. In this case, click the appropriate SSO button and enter your corporate login credentials. It's important to ensure your internet connection is stable before attempting to log in. If you encounter any problems accessing your account, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. For enhanced security, Dropbox Business may prompt you to complete two-factor authentication. This involves entering a code sent to your mobile device or email to verify your identity. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with your dashboard, where you can manage files, collaborate with team members, and adjust settings. Remember to log out from your Dropbox Business account when finished, especially when using public or shared computers, to maintain your account security. Following these detailed steps will ensure you can easily and securely access your Dropbox Business account without hassle. Don't forget to practice safe online habits to protect your sensitive business information at all times.